To Claim Your Justice Facebook live stream. I'm attorney Keith Shindler. I look forward to providing you valuable and useful information regarding personal injury cases and personal injury topics. Throughout the future live stream sessions, I'll discuss some information that you may consider as basic, but I'm also going to discuss information that I view as kind of complex. I welcome your positive feedback and questions. I can be reached at 888-88-KEITH, or you can email us here and message us on Facebook. The first topic I want to review is who pays for the costs associated with a personal injury case. There's really two components of these costs. One is the attorney fee that would be paid to our firm for making a recovery for your injury case, and the second component are the costs related to developing and winning your case. Let's talk for a second about the attorney's fees. With personal injury cases, the attorney fee is based on a contingency fee arrangement. What does that mean? It means that my fee is contingent upon winning your case. I only recover my fee after we win your case. That's the contingency component of it. I don't really view that as a cost. I view it as it pays to have an attorney. It doesn't cost to have an attorney. The next piece of developing and winning a personal injury case are costs involved in gathering your medical records. That's somewhat of a basic cost, but sometimes it really adds up. It can be thousands of dollars depending on how much treatment a person had, how many doctors they went to see, how many surgeries they may have had. So that cost generally adds up into the hundreds if not thousands of dollars. You also have a cost if we're going to have to litigate a case. Litigation can get very expensive. Our firm advances those costs. They include such costs as filing a lawsuit. Well, that's obvious, right? But then there's other costs involved in taking a deposition, getting a deposition transcribed, hiring someone to go out and take photographs of a scene, hiring an expert witness. These are costs that sometimes aren't considered. They become costly and are advanced by our firm for the pure goal of winning your case. There's also a cost involved in perhaps getting our clients evaluated by a medical specialist. For instance, let's say a client has PTSD, post-traumatic stress disorder. I want to send them to an expert possibly who can evaluate them, test them, and then write a report. That's a cost also. Or there could be an orthopedic injury that my client has, and I want to understand what the permanent nature of that injury is. So I may send them to an orthopedic specialist to have the client reviewed, have the medical records reviewed, the client examined, and then a report to be written. That's an additional cost. What it comes down to is we work as a team here together with our clients. At Claim Your Justice, we care about our clients, and we work as a team to make sure we maximize the recovery the client can secure. So the court costs are something every client's worried about, and my goal is to make you understand and help the client understand how that works into the mechanics of the case, and the goal is always to win for the client and to recover the maximum amount of money for the client. This is just our introductory Facebook live stream, so I didn't want to go too complex or too long and put anyone to sleep out there. So please remember, for any personal injury case, for your friend, for your family, for yourself, for your coworker, call the attorneys at Claim Your Justice at 888-88-KEITH. Thank you, and I'll see you in 2 weeks.